And guys, if you guys guess the fidget spinner fits camo, red, or galactic purple, space, or none. Is there really nothing in this box? Which one? Hashtag none, hashtag camo, hashtag red, hashtag galactic purple. I'm going to show you right now. What is in here? What is it? Going to open it. What is in here? You guys have already made your comments. You can switch them right now. You think you can switch them? I'm opening it. You better do it. Pause the video. Hurry, hurry, hurry. I'm opening it. Oh, what is it? You guys are you gonna change it to none? Are you gonna change it to none? Is there really no in here? I'll give you a hint. Did you guys hear that? Is there nothing in here? There is nothing in here. You guys are so just. What the freak? Just kidding, guys. It is the purple galactic fidget cube. You guys, I trolled you so bad. I trolled you. Trolled. It was in here all the time. Tossed it. I trolled you. Actually, no. There's nothing in it. This was on the side. And I shaked it, and you guys know you guys heard nothing, right? Open it up. Now I just tossed it. Now as I was tossing it, I put it in here. As I'm just throwing it away, I put it in here. And I'm like, trolled you so bad. Oh my. Put in the comments down below if you got trolled or tricked. But let's take a review off of this. Put hashtag tricked or hashtag not tricked if you got tricked or not. Okay, so let's take a review. Okay, so the joystick is actually literally like a joystick. Okay, and then, oh, this thing sucks. Look. I can't do it. I can't do it. Sucks. Look, compared to this wheel. It's dumb. No! Stop! Okay, now to the dice thing. This one makes a noise. This one does. Middle does. Those don't. That's just dumb. Now the gears, do they make noise? They don't make noise like this. Look. That makes noise? Doesn't. There's the ball. The ball's a lot harder. Switch. Oh, that's a lot different. This is a lot different. It's a lot higher. Look. 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 Wow, this is dumb. That's dumb. This is my favorite. Oh, I could sit here all day. I could sit here all day. I could stay here all day. But thank you for watching, guys. And if you guys guessed it right, if one of you guessed it right, winner, winner, winner. I'm going to check in the comments right after this video when I publish it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and comment down below what I should do next. And see you guys next time. Bye.